final result. This is the padding that was under the carpet. I gotta see to try to recycle it, but this is what it looks like. These are you had screws here, so I gotta take off the screws so that I can take all these padding off. And then the only thing now left is I have to go get a cool bar so I can take this off. And that's it. But so this is what it's looking like. That's it. I gotta move that, but I just left it there for now. So this is the final. Let me stand over here so you guys can see this at the end of the room. It looks so much more bigger. So hold on. See, looks so much more bigger. Oh my goodness, I hated that carpet. So amazing, it's gone. This is the other pattern. I gotta move it over there, but this is what the room is looking like. Gotta make a mess for it to come out looking good. So this is the end result for now. And then next week I'm gonna actually start putting down the flooring. And then after that, the master bedroom will be done. Let's do one more take. Oh, that's the bathroom. We'll put a whole bunch of stuff in there for the meantime. Alrighty, bye. The end of the project. I just got this little section right here left to close up. This is one part of the master bedroom. See, I still got my tools. I'm taking a break for today. This is the other end of the master bedroom right here. And I just got this other little section right here to seal up by the bathroom. Then this area right here, I got to complete right here. So those are the only one things left to finish. But beside that, everything is almost done. See, I got some of the wood still right here. Oh, don't look at the bathroom. It's really dirty. So this is what it's looking like so far. I'm so proud of myself. Everything is almost done. The master is almost done with the hardwood. Love this. See how beautiful it goes with the wall and the room. Just looks so much better than that ugly carpet that was on here. So this is what it's looking like. Got that. See, the wood is really nice. It's scratch resistant, waterproof. It's the vinyl luxury plank. Just finished that end right there. So I got that wood with the cutter and everything over there. Finish these ends right here. Finish this little area right there. And that's it. So that everything is done. Yay.